Hello, friends! Today we will play with color cars. Are you ready? Look! Red, blue, green, yellow, and orange. This is the red car. Red like an apple. Vroom, vroom. Wow, the red car is so fast! Here comes the blue car. Blue like the sky. Zoom, zoom.
The blue car loves the water.
This is the green car. Green like the grass. Beep, beep. The green car drives in the forest. Wow! Yellow car! Yellow like the sun!
The yellow car is shining so bright.
Here is the orange car. Orange like a yummy fruit. The orange car is so tasty fun. Vroom, vroom. Dad! Which one is the fastest? Here comes red. Here comes blue. Look! All the cars are driving together. Red, blue, green, yellow, orange. All the colors are friends. Red, blue, green, yellow, orange, like a rainbow. That was so much fun with our cars. Bye-bye, friends. See you next time.